Now, staying on the same story, and Lebanon is in mourning after a huge explosion in the capital Beirut killed close to 100 people and injured more than 4,000 last night. The whole city was shaken by the blast, which began with a fire at the port, which exploded into a mushroom cloud. Beiruts President Hassan Diab said that 2,750 tons of ammonium nitrate had been stored unsafely in a warehouse for 6 years, and has scheduled an urgent cabinet meeting for later today. The country will observe an official period of mourning for 3 days. Now, my colleague Zaheer Mohamed spoke to Jihan Kaisi from the Africa Muslim Agency to get an idea of what happened in Beirut.
As you know, this is a big tragedy for Lebanon, and the situation is unbelievable. We are still on shock of what happened. So what can I say is that we have more than 100 deaths, more than 5,000 people injured, and the number is increasing with every coming minute. We are hearing about more victims. Numbers are still rising. Due to the huge blast that ripped Beirut, the capital of Lebanon, hundreds are still missing, burned, or passed away. Hospitals are working over capacity, and some parts of hospital are destroyed. 4 hospitals got destroyed. A warehouse for medicines related to the Ministry of Public Health also got destroyed completely. Wheat warehouse also got destroyed, so we have also bread issue. In Lebanon is already suffering from COVID-19, lockdown, explosions, economic crisis, starvation crisis, protest, revolution, and now this explosion that came in Lebanon to add the tragedy and to make it more deep. Everyone in Lebanon is suffering, and situation is really bad. We were on the ground last night till morning, and we witnessed scenes. We saw people on the ground. There's no capacity on the.
Sister Jihan, talk about what you've seen on the ground. What is now the need on the ground when it comes to the humanitarian effort that the AMA has mobilized from yesterday?
Is the first NGOs who called Lebanon and to check on the team first, and also to do immediate intervention. So we started last night offering food, medical supplies, medicines, and water, drinking water, because a lot of people are on the ground. They have nothing. They lost their houses. They're still waiting for their missing relatives and people to come back. And now we are putting a plan. We will work on the producing bread now, emergency relief, and also mobile clinic, because people are in need for medical care intervention immediately, in addition to food and mask and supplies, because also in addition to COVID-19, there's a problem is that the air is poisoned because of what happened of the explosion. So whenever we are close to this area, the air is poisoned, and they're making other cases lose their conscience.
Sister Jihan, we wish you and the AMA people on the ground their safety for the next few days, and we wish you the best of luck. Please do stay safe, inshallah. Fi amanillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
That was Sister Jihan Kaisi reporting live on the ground from Lebanon. They're telling us more than 5,000 people have been injured after yesterday's blast.